Congratulations on your recent Küat accessory purchase. We are stoked you are part of the family. Here's a quick video to help walk you through the assembly of the spare tire adapter for your Pivot XD. A few things before we get started. Read the user guide before starting the assembly. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for easier assembly. Note the molly hoop must be installed before the installation of the spare tire adapter. Start by placing the wheel flat on the ground with the wheel face facing downward. Next, place the spare tire adapter mounting plate inside of the wheel. Align it with the wheel's lug pattern to determine which slotted holes will be used. Once the correct slots are identified, remove the adapter and insert the 3 M12 by 75 bolts with the 12 mm washers into the slotted holes along with 3 M12 hex jam nuts. Leave the hardware loose at this stage. Place the adapter back onto the wheel's lug pattern, keeping the wheel flat on the ground. Once everything is properly aligned, use a 10 mm Allen key to tighten the bolts. Torque to 40 Newton meters. Pivot the rack arm out until it reaches a full 90 degrees. Using an 8 mm Allen key and a 17 mm stamped wrench, install the adapter using 4 M10 by 30 bolts, 4 M10 nuts, and 4 10 mm washers. Be sure the tire adapter is slightly angled toward the top of the vehicle once installed. This helps maintain proper fit and stability. Torque to 40 Newton meters. Next, lift the wheel and place it onto the spare tire adapter. Using a 21 mm stamped wrench, secure the wheel with the provided lug nuts. Tighten all lug nuts evenly to ensure the tire is fully seated and secure. Torque to 40 Newton meters. Your spare tire is now securely mounted and ready for the road. If you have any questions while assembling this accessory, reach out to our customer service team by calling 877-822-5828. Don't forget, this accessory is covered by our No Worries Limited Warranty. We've got your rack and your back.